Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. So today we are going to be learning about how can we use checkboxes in an Excel workbook. To use checkboxes in an Excel workbook, what we have to do is just go to Excel, then go to preferences, just go to ribbon and toolbar, then in customize the ribbon bar, you can go to developer option, just click save and close this. Here you can see the developer option is popped up, and in this there is checkbox. And if I click here and click here, as you can see the checkbox is popped up. And if I want to change the name, I can change the name also. Like in my case, I'll write YEYES, yes. And if I click outside, here you can see that it is now changed. And if I want to adjust, I can adjust this also, like here. As you can see, I have adjusted this, and you can see here if the phone number is present, I'll just click here yes. And if I want to get in all, I'll just drag till bottom. And if the number is present, I'll just check this, and if the number is not present, I can uncheck. And if I want to get whether the value is true or false, what I can do is I'll just right click, go to format control, and I'll give the reference here, just click OK. So here you can see the value is true. This is the way you can use checkboxes in an Excel workbook. I hope you find this video useful, and if you find this video useful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, press the bell notifications for further updates. So take care, bye bye.